Let's start with the problem, bike theft. We know it can put people off purchasing an e-bike because, let's be honest, e-bikes are expensive and having things stolen is a real pain in the ass. So that's why we've launched Estarli Cycle Security.
We've partnered with our friends at Backpedal to create an all-round theft and recovery solution for you. Using trackers, we'll either recover your bike or have it replaced under insurance if we can't.
And it's really simple. Every model of Estarli can be fitted with our covert GPS trackers. Then, if your bike gets stolen, our recovery agents will go to track it down. If we can't recover, your bike and fitted accessories are fully insured. You can actually just see it in the bottom corner here. He's spotted it through the window. I'm pretty sure that's the frame, that's the blue frame there.
Backpedal is trusted by thousands of UK customers and it has an 80% recovery rate. So you can feel confident about your e-bike purchase and you can feel part of a collective that's fighting against bike theft.
New Estarli customers can choose to add Estarli Cycle Security to their purchase at the point of checkout or through their retail store. Once we get that instruction, we will install the covert trackers into your bike at our factory here in Hertfordshire, and from that point, you're protected.
At Backpedal, we operate a 24/7 theft hotline. Then, in the event your bike gets stolen, we track it down and send in the recovery agents. We've successfully recovered multiple Estarlis already, so we're confident that if yours gets pinched, we'll track it down.
And don't worry if you're an existing Estarli rider, there'll soon be an option to retrofit the Estarli Security to your bike through one of our service centres.
We hope you want to stand up against e-bike theft with us and that Estarli Cycle Security eases any fears you might have about owning an e-bike. If you want to find out more, as ever, check out the page on the website or speak to us here at the factory and someone will gladly help.